Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In previous video, we had already discussed chapter 1, computer storage and memory device in brief. So today we will do exercise of chapter first. Open your book. If you have already filled the exercise of chapter 1, match with me. Otherwise, fill the exercise in your book. Open your book students. Okay students, have you opened your book? Okay, the part A is tick the correct answer. Which answer is correct from these fourth option? Tick the correct answer. First is, what is primary memory also known as? प्राइमरी मेमोरी को हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं? बोलते हैं ऑप्शंस आर ए बैकअप मेमोरी, ऑप्शन बी मेन मेमोरी, ऑप्शन सी बेसिक मेमोरी एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. तो प्राइमरी मेमोरी को हम मेन मेमोरी बोलते हैं. प्राइमरी मेमोरी ऑल्सो नोन एज मेन मेमोरी. सो टिक द करेक्ट आंसर बी. नेक्स्ट इज, which of the following is a secondary memory? Otherwise you can say which of the following is an example of secondary memory. Option A hard disk, ऑप्शन बी रैम, ऑप्शन सी रोम एंड ऑप्शन डी मेमोरी. इनमें से कौन सा सेकेंडरी मेमोरी का एक एग्जाम्पल है? रैम एंड रोम आर द पार्ट ऑफ प्राइमरी मेमोरी. सो राइट आंसर इज हार्ड डिस्क. टिक द आंसर ए, हार्ड डिस्क. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस? इनमें से कौन सा सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस नहीं है? ऑप्शंस आर ए डीवीडी, बी सीडी, सी पेन ड्राइव एंड डी रैम. स्टूडेंट्स, डीवीडी, सीडी, पेन ड्राइव, these all are the secondary storage device. So which is not a secondary storage device is the right answer? RAM, random access memory. This is the part of primary memory. Next is, what is the permanent memory built into your computer called? कंप्यूटर में जो परमानेंट मेमोरी होती है उसे क्या बोलते हैं या कौन सी होती है? ऑप्शंस आर रोम, बी रैम, सी सीपीयू एंड डी सीडी रोम. सो right answer is ROM, read only memory. I have told you, once data stored in ROM you can't delete. So ROM is the permanent memory built into your computer. Next is fifth. Approximately how many bytes makes 1 megabyte? लगभग कितने बाइट्स मिलकर एक MB बनाते हैं मेगाबाइट? ऑप्शन आर 1000, ऑप्शन बी 10,000, ऑप्शन सी 100 एंड ऑप्शन डी 1 million. स्टूडेंट्स, 1024 बाइट्स मेक्स 1 megabytes. So 1024 approx 1000. Okay, so right answer is 1000. Have you done part A? I am repeating again. MCQ first, answer is main memory, B. MCQ second, answer is A, hard disk. MCQ third, answer is RAM, D. MCQ fourth, answer is A, ROM. And MCQ fifth, answer is A, 1000. Okay, so let's move to part B. Write T for true and F for false statement. From the given statement, which statement is true? Write T, and which is false? Write F. Okay, the first is, it is very difficult to carry a pen drive because of its large size. Is it true? Is pen drive is large in size and you can't carry, or it is difficult to carry? No, it's wrong. Pen drive is a small secondary storage device you can carry easily. So write here F, false statement. Now move to page number 13. Second, multimedia cards are called the memory cards. This statement is true. Memory cards or multimedia cards is the same, and it is mainly used in mobile phones or digital cameras to store the photos and videos. So write here T, true statement. Next is third, the hard disk is also called the pen drive. Hard disk को हम pen drive भी बोलते हैं? No, pen drive is also called flash drive, but hard disk is not called the pen drive. So this is false statement. Right here F. Next is fourth, a CD and a DVD store the same amount of data. मीन्स CD और DVD की जो स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी होती है वो सेम होती है. नो, इनकी जो शेप होती है वो सेम होती है, बट स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी डिफरेंट होती है. सो राइट हियर F, false. Next is fifth, the primary memory has a limited storage capacity. जो प्राइमरी मेमोरी की स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी होती है वो लिमिटेड होती है. इट इज ट्रू. राइट हियर T. हैव यू डन? I am repeating it again. The first statement is false. The second statement is true. The third statement is false. The fourth statement is false. And the fifth statement is true. Done it? Okay, now move to part number C. Filling the blanks. Students, here some options are given to help you to fill these blanks. Okay? Let's move. First is, a dash is circular in shape and can hold more data than a CD. CD की जैसे ही कौन सा सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस सर्कुलर होता है शेप में बट CD से ज़्यादा अमाउंट होल्ड कर सकता है? आंसर इज DVD. राइट हियर DVD. Second is 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 dash. Students, in options there are written GB. So this is wrong. Please cut it and write here MB. The right answer is MB. 1024 byte is equal to 1 MB. Right here MB. Next is, a combination of 8 bits make up a dash. 8 bits का combination क्या बनाता है? Byte. A combination of 8 bits make up a byte. Fourth, RAM and ROM are parts of computer's dash memory. जो RAM and ROM है वो कंप्यूटर की कौन सी मेमोरी के पार्ट्स होते हैं? प्राइमरी. राइट आंसर हियर प्राइमरी. नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ, अ डैश इज द मेन सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस. जो कंप्यूटर का मेन सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस कौन सा होता है वो है हार्ड डिस्क. सो राइट हियर हार्ड डिस्क. Okay students, have you done? I am repeating it again. The first answer is DVD. Second is ambi, correct it in your options also. Third is byte. Fourth is primary. And the last one, fifth is hard disk. Have you done? So students, this is your exercise of chapter 1. Fill in your book. This is your homework for today. Fill this exercise in your book. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.